Hi Capricorn, welcome. Thank you for being here. Okay, darling, what is the message from Spirit for you? What comes to me, it was a parrot. It was interesting. And Parrot is asking you, so through the Spirit, is asking you to be confident in your goals. Whatever you do, don't stop. Whatever you do, be sure that you will reach your goal. Maybe try to bring some new ideas as well. So maybe add something, small touch that will be recognition of your work or something, whatever you do, darling. Small touch. That's interesting. Small touch of something, yeah. That will be saying it's you. Okay, Spirit, what else is for Capricorn? Deepening. Peace with God. That's interesting. So don't give up. Don't give up. Whatever you do, be confident, stay focused, but trying to bring something new, something different. I mean, but different that is in you, if you know what I mean. Something that you have this unique gift, talent, or I don't know, idea or way of thinking, of seeing, something like that. Something that is really personal, something that is, some part is saying, this is me. Yes. Thank you, Spirit. Okay. What else? Don't give up. Whatever you do, don't give up. Stay focused, stay confident. Where you're going, what you want, because I know what you want. You know what you want, you know where you're going, you know what needs to be done. So there is a plan, you go in step by step, which is great. But there is something like just a little bit, shake up a little bit, just give this, as I said, the touch. Maybe you think you are very serious about this as well. But the Parrot, it's about the colors. Bring some colors into your life. Maybe change the colors or put some colors. It's not even about the clothes, when we're wearing is very important, because it's as well, it's about our energy, and we can recognize as well what kind of colors we're choosing. We can say something a little bit about our energy. But it's not only about the clothes, it's maybe your surroundings, maybe in your work, in your business, at your home, in your home, at your home. Work, yeah, as I said, trying to bring some colors, something fresh, something new, something that deep down, as I said, there is some part of you want to bring some color, but you little bit like, you don't want to show this, you want to keep this for yourself. And Spirit is saying, no. What else, Spirit? No. Oh, Dragon's Liar. So this is like take a risk, even you're a little bit afraid, Yeah, even it's over here. Oh, it's a feather. Even you're a little bit afraid, but also you are a little bit excited about it. So it's like both. It's the same as a parrot. Parrot knows their limits and talents. Yeah. So you know what it is. I think you already know what it is. What kind of idea Spirit is asking you to into unknown. Yeah. So you know what it is, the idea, but you can't see what results will be, yeah? And Spirit is saying, don't worry. Don't worry about this. Don't worry. Try this new thing. What is it? Magical map shifter. Yeah, because when you will start showing this new thing, new idea, or whatever, it will be this small touch. Different people, new experience, new people, new experiences, people who will bring the best of you. Oh, this is great. Oh, so you'll be appreciated about it, that you bring this, or you show this, or something. Something like mountain. This is like a next step. Yes, next step on your mountain. One ring circus compass. Yes. Yeah. This will allow you to go a little bit deeper with yourself. Will be like your bond with yourself will be much stronger. You will feel much stronger. You will, how you say, believe in yourself even more. That this is the right path. This is where I'm going. This is what I should do. This is what my soul wants to. This is what my soul wants to experience as well. So it is about the spirituality. Bring something from there. There is a uniqueness in your spirituality. There is something about that. Interesting. Okay, and last cards. Parrot. Colorful parrot. Oh. Take it easy. True feelings. Within you is all you need to know. Communication. Listen and speak with your greater care. Or hate. So you listen to yourself. Spirituality. Oh, thank you, Spirit. So look, those two flowers. African violet, spirituality. It's time to connect with what you believe. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Absence, what is not here is the key. So what is the key is what you're not bringing up, you're not showing. Words of love, speak with your heart. And self-acceptance, you are so much more. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So there's, as I said, people will love this. True feelings, communication, spirituality, words of love. Speak with your heart. Connect with your heart. Connect with your heart and accept that you are so much more. And whatever it is, this little thing it's needed, it's what will be appreciated, it will be, it's like people are looking for this. I don't know why. Sorry, because it's just a general reading, baby. Baby? Why'd I say baby? Baby. It's like maybe I'm talking to your inner child. Your inner child has the key. Yes, yes, I can feel it. I can feel it. There's a, dingle like in my head. And I'm trying to bring everything. Okay. Thank you, Capricorn. Take care. Hopefully this help you in a moment. Be confident. Everything what you do, it's great. But this one thing. Yes, this one thing. It's, I know you know there it is inside you. I know you just forgot about it. You just push it on, put on the side because now you have the plan, you're focused on everything. But this small thing will help you. Take care. Bye.